In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a combo chart in Power BI. We'll start in Power BI Desktop. Launch the app, then open the report you want to enhance by loading your existing PBX file. If you're practicing, any dataset with a date or category and a couple of measures will work. Combo charts blend columns and align into one visual, saving space and helping audiences see relationships between totals and trends at a glance. With your report open, look to the Visualizations pane on the right. If it's collapsed, hover to expand it. We're going to use one of the two built-in combo charts. The first is the line and stacked column chart, which is great when you want to compare the total for each category while showing a trend line across the same dimension. The second is the line and clustered column chart, best when you need to compare individual subcategories side by side, still with a line showing an overall trend. Click the icon that matches the comparison you want to make and place the blank visual on your canvas. Now assign your fields. For the x-axis, drag in the shared dimension, such as month or year, or any category that both the columns and the line will use. For the column y-axis, add the absolute value measure, like sales or units, which you want to display as columns. For the line y-axis, add the measure that represents a trend, ratio, or percentage, such as gross margin percent, to display as a line. If the line values are on a very different scale than the columns, for example, percentages versus millions of dollars, adjust the axes so both are readable. Select the visual, go to the Format Visual tab, open the y-axis settings, and turn on the secondary y-axis. This places the line on its own scale on the right, preventing the line from appearing flat against tall columns. At this point, the combo chart is in place and connected to your data. If your dates appear as a hierarchy, that's fine. Use the level that best communicates your message. Keep axis titles clear and short, and consider using concise data labels only if they improve readability. Also ensure your percentage measure is formatted as a percent so the secondary axis makes immediate sense. Avoid overcrowding the x-axis. Fewer, well-chosen categories keep the story clear. That's it. You've created a combo chart in Power BI that compares values while highlighting a trend, all in a single, easy-to-read visual.